If you've lost access to your Gmail account and you're not getting the verification code, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to recover your Gmail account without a verification code, step by step, using Google's official recovery process. This is one of the most useful methods to try if you've changed your phone number, lost access to your old device, or simply can't receive the code anymore. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page, and it's the safest place to start. Once the page loads, enter the Gmail address that you want to recover. Make sure you type it correctly, because even a small typo can send you to the wrong account recovery path. After entering your email, click Next to Continue. At this point, Google may ask for a verification code. If you do not have access to that code, look for the option that says Try another way. This is the key step, because it tells Google that you need a different recovery method. Depending on your account history, Google may offer a few alternative options. One common option is a recovery email. If you still have access to that backup email address, Google may send a recovery link or code there instead. Another option is a Google prompt on a trusted device. If you're still signed in on another phone, tablet, or computer, you may get a prompt asking you to confirm it's really you. If Google asks for a previous password, try entering the most recent password you remember using on that account. Even if it's not the current one, this can help Google verify your identity. In some cases, you may be asked recovery questions or other account recovery details. Answer these carefully and honestly, and try to use the most accurate information you can remember. It really helps if you're on a device, browser, or location that you've used before with this Gmail account, because Google uses that information to confirm it's you. If one recovery option doesn't work, continue selecting. Try another way and checking the available choices until you find one that you can access. Sometimes the recovery process may take a little patience, but it's important to go through each step carefully. If your recovery is successful, Google will allow you to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and make sure to store it somewhere safe. After that, sign into your Gmail account with the new password and confirm that everything is working properly. Once you're back in, it's a good idea to review your recovery email, phone number, and security settings so you don't get locked out again in the future. And that's how you recover your Gmail account without a verification code using Google's official recovery steps. If this video helped you out, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching and good luck getting back into your Gmail account.